It's so dark in here. Woo! Alrighty. Okay, let's do some unboxing. Where's my scissor? I got a cramp! This is different. I've never seen them do this before. Alright. Wait! Oh, I got so scared. I was like, why is it empty? I got a weight machine. So apparently this can lift 50 kgs, which is 110 pounds. Do you think this will work? Ta-da! Oops, that was loud. So pretty color. Let's try turning it on. Remove plastic tab. Oh, okay. This is so good quality. Let's see if this works. Ah! And it looks like that. Let's try lifting my backpack, which I take to school. This one is big. Oops. Okay, see if this works. I have my backpack with me here. It's set on my camera. Wow! This is so helpful because this weight stays on the screen for a few seconds compared to the one which I had earlier. The weight disappears right away, so you have to like lift it up while looking at the weight. Plus, you have to like lift it like that, so I used to always like do that to see the weight. But this thing stays. My bag is almost 3 kgs, and if you want, you can press on this button and it switches the unit. So for my American friends, it's 6.45 pounds. Overall, I like it. Let's try stitching this off. Pretty quick to switch off too. 10 out of 10, it's working. I haven't tried this on my suitcase, but I'll check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Adios!